Hi boys and girls, this is how to make a community helper puppet. Now before we begin, I need you to make sure you go get the paper from your teacher of whatever community helper you wrote your sentence about. So if you wrote your sentence about a police officer, you would go ask your teacher for a police officer paper. So go ahead and pause this video and go to your teacher and get the paper to make your puppet. All right, so now that you got your paper of your community helper, your first step is to color your community helper. Do you notice how I colored mine just like a police officer's uniform? I even put a gold star. So you need to make sure you color your helper of how their regular uniform looks. When you're done coloring, you are going to cut out the pieces. So you need to cut out the head nice and on the lines. Then you need to cut the body nice and on the lines. When you're done cutting your pieces, you're going to ask your teacher for a paper bag. When you make this paper bag, you're going to glue the head on this part. Look at the arrow, see the little flap square of the puppet? So you glue your head on here, and then you glue your body on the long part of the bag. And to make sure you glued it on right, you should be able to open the bag right here and put your arm in, and your community helper should not be upside down. So the head goes on this little square flap, and the body goes underneath. Good luck, boys and girls.